The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gaston County Public Info OFCR and the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency. At approximately around 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on June 14, 2027, a 13-year-old boy walked to the kitchen to get a glass of water, and when he did, he saw his cousin moaning loudly, causing him to grab his 8-year-old cousin out of the house and running into a hiding spot to hide for 37 minutes. This is unknown and it could be a virus. More information will be gathered as this situation develops, but until then, stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. Seek shelter or hide now. This is a Level 5 evacuation notice within a 405-mile radius of Gaston County until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gaston County Police Department. At around 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the Moaning virus has been spreading over the town. Over 50% of the population has been infected with the virus. The 13-year-old boy that grabbed his 8-year-old cousin managed to run away from one of the infecteds that were behind them. The other 13-year-old that was moaning has been confirmed to be identified as Carmen Baker. She's a white female standing at 5 feet and half an inch tall. She was last seen wearing a Hello Kitty shirt with a bra underneath it. She was wearing black pajama pants and slippers. She was confirmed to be moaning in the pantry room inside the kitchen before Cameron was grabbing a cup of water. The 8-year-old boy was confirmed to be sleeping before Cameron eventually grabbed him and take him out of the house. The population that was in the house has now been infected. Do not go near the house as the population has been infected are still inside and we'll try to best to infect them. Stay tuned for more information on this developing dangerous and life-threatening situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gaston County Police Department. At around 12:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, and over the past 3 minutes, 65% of the population has been infected with the virus. Carmen Baker, the infected cousin of Cameron, started to break free out of the house and is now infecting everyone she sees in her path. This is a life and threatening situation. It should be taken seriously. If possible, a Level 10 evacuation could be as a shelter-in-place warning for Gaston County. Her next move is York Chester Middle School at 601 South Clay Street. Her next move is expected to happen in the next 45 minutes. If you're at the location that's getting ready to be spotted in the next 45 minutes by her, run out as fast as you can. More information will be gathered as a situation worsens. For more information, listen to a power battery, hand-cranked, or a NOAA weather radio for more information regarding this event. This message will occur in 10 minutes. This is now a level 10 evacuation notice to a shelter-in-place warning. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gaston County Police Department and the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency and the Department of Homeland Security. At approximately 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the Moaning virus has gone even way worse. Over 78% of the population has been infected with the Moaning virus. The 8-year-old boy who was grabbed by 13-year-old Cameron has not been confirmed to be identified as Gunnar Lee Mathis Baker. He was last seen trying to infect Cameron. The one responsible for the Moaning virus is still unknown at this time, but the evacuation for level 10 is still going. Remember, a shelter-place warning is in effect until it is given clear by the authorities. For more information, call the Gaston County Emergency Management and Fire Service at 704-866-3004 for more information. Stay tuned for more radio outlets for this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Department of Homeland Security. 24% of the population is now uninfected with the virus. Cameron found the person who had made the Moaning virus and infected Carmen with it. It was Desmond Holland. Desmond Holland is a black male standing at 5 feet and 2/2 of an inch tall. He is about 14 years old. He was wearing a drip hoodie with black jeans and a drip shoes. If you see him, do not approach him as he will try to throw the virus at you and infect you with it. The police department of Gaston County are trying their best to stop him from infecting the entire population. The White House is conducting an emergency evacuation for Gaston County until the threat has been neutralized and Desmond gets stopped. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Guys, follow my lead. I have a way to stop Desmond. But how? He's strong. He'll try to throw the virus at us and infect with it. Yeah, we're the Gastonia County Police Department. We've been protecting people since 1924. We've been protecting people for literally 102 years. I mean, wait, hold on, no. Actually, for 103 years. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Anyways, Desmond got arrested. Oh, move! What the? Did he just say the N-word? Yeah, bro, I think he's racist. Yeah. There's really no way we could stop him. Wait. I have an idea. Tom, what is it? Arrest him. Alright. But first, but first we, yeah. But first, we need to tase him and then neutralize the virus. So 100% of the population can live a normal life. Alright, let's do it. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh, stop. No. Oh, what the? Oh. So you're under arrest for creating a virus and spreading it everywhere. You can't stop me. Well, Cameron, you win. But I'll be back next time. You haven't heard the last of Desmond. Ah. All right, and everything is good. Cameron, and thank you for finding the person who made the virus. Thank you. I'm really responsible for this. But Desmond was the one who was responsible for the virus. But thankfully, now let's neutralize the virus. Alright, Cameron, let's do it. Let's uninfect everybody. Yeah, let's do this.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. Desmond Holland, the one who made the Moaning virus, has been stopped and will now be put in prison for 25 years for causing this chaos around Gaston County. All of you may now exit your shelters or your hiding spots. We like to thank you for your cooperation.